Today will be just a recap of everything what we have learned so far, and it will be the last session for our Git series. We'll just look into we'll just implement everything we have learned so far. So what we are going to do actually is, we have created a Git repository by the name Git Started for you all. Here you can all make your first contribution. Like there's a contributors.md file. Here you can add your name and you can create by creating a pull request, obviously, and then your name will be visible over here, and this may be your first contribution in GitHub as well. So we have even defined all the steps you need to take over there. We'll just go one by one, and I'll also implement them side by side. So as I've already told, first step to contributing in any repository is forking that repository. So let me fork it into my account. It's currently in Git Hack Club's account. Let me fork it into mine. Now it's in my account. Now what we have to do is get this code locally in our system. So that process is known as cloning, correct? So let us clone this repository. I've already told what is clone and how to clone it. And let me shoot up my terminal real quick. So what's the command to clone a repository? It's git clone. This is the command to fork a clone a repository. Hit enter. It's cloned. Now there should be a folder getting started in my current folder, which is dev. So let us go into our current folder, dev. This is dev folder, and here this is a getting started folder. Now if you have VS Code set up, you can just open by clicking open it and VS Code. So now we have cloned, forked the repository. We have cloned the repository. Here's the command. You can see git clone, which we have just did. Now what is the next step? Make the necessary changes and commit those changes. So first make these changes. This is the contributor.md file. Now what you have to do is add your name following this same format. Otherwise your name won't be visible. Copy this form line, paste it here. Replace this Eric Rosa with your name. My name is Uzair, and paste your GitHub profile over here. Mine is sorry. This is my profile. You have to paste your GitHub profile over here. That's it. Now we have made these changes. Now what was the next step? Make the necessary changes and commit your changes. So how do we commit? I've already told. There's a command called git add. Actually, I've listed all the commands over here. You can just copy paste them. Git add contributors.md. Contributors.md was the file which we have changed. This one, contributors.md. So oh sorry, I'm not in that folder. First you have to get into that folder, which is getting started, and then you can do git add contributors.md. Contributors.md. Or alternatively, if you do not want to type the name of the repository, you can also do git add space small dot. Then after that, you have to do commit. The command for commit is git commit -m. Add, replace this your name with the your name, obviously, to contributors list. So let me just paste it over here. And I'll replace your name with my name. Fine. Hit enter. Here is one file changed, and then after that, git push origin and your branch name. How to see the branch name? Branch name is listed over here. This is the branch name. Here you can see a little branch like symbol also. This one. So the current branch name is main. So what we have to do is replace this your branch name with current branch name, main main. Fine. Now refresh your repository. Go to contributors.md. There you can find my name. Now let's make a pull request. All these changes have been made in my current repository C, and the original repository is this one, which belongs to KIIT Hack Club. Here the changes aren't reflected yet. So in order to make changes over there, we have to make something called as pull request. Go into this pull request tab, and actually there are instructions given here. Compare and pull request. Go to this pull request tab, click on create new pull request. That's how we create a pull request. Now let's go into the KIIT Hack Club's account. This is in the Hack Club account. There you can see a pull request of mine. Now the maintainer will review the changes you have made. Here you can see that there's a green line indicating that I have added this particular line, and if the changes seem suitable, he or she may merge it. You will not get this merge pull request option because you are not a maintainer. I'm a maintainer of this repository, that's why I'm getting this option. And if I merge it, the changes we made gets reflected in the original repository as well. Yeah, you can find my name. Now go ahead, add your name and enjoy. That's it. That's all you need to make a contribution on GitHub. We have learned everything. Then you may explore more, you may learn more as your own pace.